Hey all, welcome to ShareTrekc. This is Raj here. Today I want to talk about a share that may see some action. In my personal opinion, of course, this is never financial advice, but some interesting points of view. I'll explain my logic and also back it up with technical pattern. So let's get started. Welcome back, friend. The share that I'm talking about today is IMTX, ticker symbol IMTX. This has been in our watch list, but not active participants for quite a while. In fact, it has been range bound, moving sideways from the middle of this year, and then it started falling in early September. And of late, it has shown a very interesting pattern, which is the topic of today's video. On 8th of November, IMTX reported interim clinical data from their IMA 203 and IMA 203 CD8 TCR-T monotherapies targeting PRAME in an ongoing phase 1 trial. They reported performance in line with previous results. IMA 203 Gen 1 monotherapy was well tolerated at total doses up to 10 by 10 raised to 9 TCR-T cell infused, which seems to be a good outcome. And the press release also said that IMTX planned to provide an update on clinical development plan for IMA 203 in Q1 of 2024. And they also plan to provide updates across the entire clinical TCR cell therapy and bispecifics portfolio that they have throughout 2024. However, since overall market sentiment was bleak, this catalyst did not move the share. And interestingly, there was still a move up on the run up to November 8. The share price rose smartly and has now formed the coveted cup and handle pattern. Let me take you to the TradingView platform so that we can discuss out there while I show you the price list. Here we are in the TradingView platform, and friends, as you can see, November 8th was out here. And on November 8th, actually, the share started at a high price and then dropped down. That's why we have a red candle. It broke through the support line, which was there at 9.65, and it fell down. And in the last 2 days, we have seen it move further up. And we have also seen the short-term exponential moving average, which is the 9-day exponential moving average, cross over the 20-day exponential moving average, which is this orange line, which is the golden cross. We have also seen momentum go above average, and we have also seen MACD becoming bullish. So there's a whole lot of energy out here, and this is the cup and handle pattern that we were talking about. So let me just take the arc and try to draw a cup. So this could be our cup, and let me adjust this here and bring this slightly down. Okay, so we have this as the lowest point. So if I project this to the neck of the cup, then and I duplicate the length out here, then I come to somewhere close to $12.20 or something like that. Now that I think is going to be the target if we have a good result on the 15th when IMTX is supposed to report. The market is expecting an EPS of minus 382, that is negative 38 cents, and it's expecting a revenue of 11.51 million. If they perform better than this, especially on the EPS, I think then we will be able to see this cup and handle pattern materialize into a bullish run. Otherwise, there have been instances where the cup and handle pattern was formed, but it never went through because the market conditions were bad or the company came up with some bad news. So there is always that risk. So that's what I would like to say here. Friends, in June 2023, IMTX had euro 348 million in cash, and it was a debt-free company. In the last year, its cash burn was 105 million. However, IMTX was is not a straightforward company to estimate the cash runway. Hypothetically, assuming this 105 euros to be 105 million euros to be the cash burn for the last year, we can extrapolate that it would take around slightly more than 3 years. Maybe the cash runway will go in all the way into September 2026. But it's very difficult to have such a straight line method. This is a very rough calculation. So when they publish their Q3 results on 15th, I think we will be in for a surprise either way. Either the cup and handle pattern will fizzle out if the earnings turn out to be disappointing. However, if the earnings turn out to be a bullish catalyst, then I have a price target in the vicinity of $12.50, as I showed you in the TradingView chart. So this is not a sure thing, okay? Please don't misunderstand my communication. This is not a sure thing. It's just a technical projection. This means a potential upside of around $3, which works out to be a 33% gain on a base of 9.56, which is the closing price as of 13th of November 2023. Friends, let me caution you that this is not financial advice. I have been using these techniques regularly, and the outcome is not consistent. These are known technical patterns and price projection methods for a cup and handle. Please do your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making investment decisions based on this video. The last thing I want to do is for you to look at my video and place a bet and lose money. So I would caution you on that. With that said, I'd like to bring this video to an end. That's all for now. I'll catch up with you in the next video. Bye for now.